G-Boy. G-Boy.
Hello, what's up? This G's top, I go plus up. I don't do tire, I don't fuck up. My nigga tell me make I lock up or make I plus up. Oh boy, no lock up. The way me I make am la plus up. If you ready, then make we link up. So I go get to the place where I plus up. So you go plus up, I go plus up. But oh boy, I want to ask you one question. This plus up thing, it no involve my relative blood. Because if I use my relative blood, now who won't enjoy my money? You get the one, you go use their blood. And you get the one, you go use person pants.
G-Boy. G-Boy.
Oh boy, I don't think I'm like that one shop pass.
Which one?
The one where we say you go use person pants.
Okay.
You get the gay, I do with me, she they do come fast. But oh boy, I beg, how I go use do one. Wait, the girl where they come, how I go use tell her. May she give me your pump, may she know easy now. Oh boy, I don't know you like guy man, you think and once you get my brother, you bring no oh boy, wait till they happen now. The girl we supposed come lover still come to now. The girl say, that's so they fuck up. Oh but give me 1 or 2 seconds, make I call her. No they say, remember I deal with you. Once you get time, you tell me we run this shit.
G-Boy. G-Boy.
Hello baby, what's up? Where you dey now? I think say you tell me say you dey come today now.
I dey come CJ, make you calm down. I be you know me say hold up, sabi dey down.
I understand, but Bani, know I miss you.
Make you do come fast, make I kiss you. Bad boy, I know still na wetin you want. No worry, I dey come, I go give you wetin you like.
Bad girl, no shaking, I dey wait you.
Before you come, tell me something wey go sweet me. Something like waiting.
Something like the color of your pants. Make you tell me you go sweet me. Bad boy, okay now black oh. You don't do something wey make my head crack oh.
G-Boy. G-Boy.
Hello nigga, what's up? I don't call her. She say now hold up for town, I ain't hold her.
Okay.
The pants matter, says I won't get her. But tell me,
Listen.
I won't buy another part of with a pants. I asked the color of a pants, still a black. Nice one, but how you go use changer? Immediately she come, I go pull a pants, we go bang, bang, bang till the beach go quench.
Nice one, you tell me how you go use changer. I should have crashed, I could go pick a pants and change down with the other pants, so you get? I get. But my problem now be say, I don't know where I go, fee get the other pants. Okay. My nigga, I don't know whether you know anybody where they sell pants. You get this guy, your Juku, no worry, I go send you details. Okay, I go send you control, make you put them on. Nice one, I swear, I go drum on. Okay, make I tell you details. 09023256753. Should you get them? I get them.
G-Boy. G-Boy.
Ojukwu Wafa, my name now CJ. She what? CJ. Money time say make I call you for all this fan stuff. I don't know whether you feel this in me. Okay, you be the pint boy. Pint what? The pint boy, the one we want you to get pants go do. Oh, but no reason I'm like hustle we day. So tell me you go feel run that stuff today. Of course I go run now. Which color again? La black she talk. I mean la black you need. Oh, but la black I need. I go need them like now. No worry, I go run now. Just send me your house address. I swear I dey come now. No why I dey send them. Should be you hold your phone, cause now you go receive them. No why I dey wait you, pants boy.
Oh boy, stop.
G-Boy. G-Boy.
Now who be that? Now the guy who you say make you come with pants. Bad guy. Now so you fast reach. When it comes to my business, no off switch. Thanks bro, thanks for coming through. Over the hungry shade you get any food. I beg they go, I no want me she coming to you. Oh, my babe, she dey call, make she no see you. No I done they go. I wish you were the best, my guy, you know. Of course I know, but I pray to God. I say this stuff go work, I no want make it fuck up. Mad, you do pray to God. But don't worry, it go work as you don't pray to God.
G-Boy. G-Boy.
Money time, what's up? Ojukwu don't come. Nice. As I give her my address, la so in run come. No be talk, I dey talk. Ojukwu into sharp. Ojukwu na sharp guy, I no tell you. Right for when we small, la so he done they do. After this stuff we I don't see, I don't believe you die. I go believe you till the day I go die. Over calm down. No go dey talk rubbish. Look at this guy, la so the love he done. Oh boy, I love you. You don't save me from poverty like this. Oh but no do until you get the point to never reach. Whether your bitch you never come to now. La so she take the do for bed. Yeah, na she be that.
G-Boy. G-Boy.
Baby, what's up? Sorry, say they come late. They hold up for town, they look for yeah, they reach toll gate. No, I don't forget. Come bed, make we connect. Oh, you're such a darling. My God, your dick is standing. Oh, girl, forget all this long talk. Let's start the fucking. CJ, you a bad boy, and you're not a bad girl.
Trust me, I the bad girl. I'm ready when you're ready. No one, baby, I'm ready.
Before we start, I need to know. Do you have a condom? No. Baby, you need a condom. For what? In case you come. I'm not that dumb.
Let's just start the fucking. I don't know what you're talking. We've done this like 10 times. Why you acting like it's your first time? But promise me, what? You won't come in. Of course, baby. Now take off your pants.
G-Boy. G-Boy.
Four bata vitamins and Ezivita. 3 bata vitamins, 2 Ezivita. I get 1 bata vitamins, they make 1 Ezivita.
So
last, you don't get the bat. Last, I don't get the pants. So tell me, what will be the next step? You give me, so I'll take up to the next step, which is I'll take up to Baba, I'll take up to Mama. Person they do just nice. When I take am go there, they will tell me how they want to use am. Good one, but hope say she no go die. I'll never know how they want use am guy. Shit.
So she get two options. It's either she die or remain alive and be useless. Make she dig your life and be useless. No, I go tell them, bro. You sure say make I don't follow you, bro? No, I go tell you when I'm done. You sure? I what's up? You think say I will carry your pants on.
Hello, money time. Hello, money time. Hello. Hello Michael, what's up? Na CJ.
CJ Wonder, what's up? How things they go?
The bad, things really they bad. Waiting happen, talk to me, I dey listen. You get this guy where I give part, make him help me do juju. The guy carry run, he come turn me to a fool. For what? The guy they use me joke, him to say I be mumu. If I meet this guy, I go beat am black and blue. You want some, why you go carry pan give person? You know say like you go there yourself. Michael, I be no, I to say like my guy. See you, my guy, no dey the street. Of course I need that. Wait, it be like say la money time be that. Great. G-Boy. Money time, yeah, you dey shock, yeah. If I blow you, you go see say I need the joke, yeah. Now wear my pants. I know 1 year story, give me my pants. I'm down, CJ, you said you're bloody boy. You think say as I dey like this, I'll carry your pantron. What's up? You two dey fuck up. Me, I dey fuck up. Well, I no blame you, just give me my pants. Make I dey carry am, dey lock up. As it dey like this, the pants no dey with me. Why? I don't carry am do juju, but laugh for me. Why you go use the pants with me I give you? I still say you be my guy, you're very evil. My guy, yeah, wetin happen? That girl wey dey come, la her pants wey I give you. Guy, that is my sister.